What's up, YouTube? This is Joel with TruLife Investing. Hope you've been having a great day. Thank you for all the support. Thanks for all those subs, for all the likes, and for all the comments. Guys, today's going to be a real one. I'm going to be really real to you today. This is for new investors. This is for you if you are a beginner. Please listen up. One of the things that I really want to bring to this channel of TruLife Investing, remember, we're starting from zero. I've never invested before in my life, and I'm making a lot of mistakes right now, and I want to bring this to this channel, and I want you to learn, and I want you to be able to grow from my mistakes. So please listen up. I had $230. I'm actually going to show you on my account. I had right here, I had $282 in my account. What did I do? I just made some money. My account's doing well. I feel good about it. And so then I literally go for it. And essentially I'm like, I'm going to make a ton of call options to the point where I don't have any more buying power. And what I ended up doing was spreading myself too thin. If you have a smaller account, you have to be wise. You have to be smart. This wasn't smart what I just did. I bought calls for Discover, Peloton, Visa, Gap, and they all flunked. Literally brought my account down to the point where it was at $39. Just imagine seeing $282 in there. You feel great, and then all of a sudden, bam, tanks. $39. I'm feeling terrible. I feel like crap. I'm like, wow. And it was because I spread myself too thin. Thankfully, I had one stock, and I'll show you right here, that was in plug, and I actually doubled my money with this. It was a smaller stock, and my call option on it was a lot smaller, but you can see they've done well. I bought it at $7.22, right around here, and then I sold it around $8.72 today, somewhere around here, and I'm more than double my money. If you have a smaller account, don't put 100% of all your money buying power into all options, or into calls or into stocks. You need to not always go for the home run. You need to not always go for the Hail Mary. And if you don't know what those mean, home run, baseball, Hail Mary, football. It's where you throw the ball really, really far. The chances of that, if you actually making the catch on a Hail Mary in the NFL, really slim. The chances of people making a home run, really slim. If they always go for the home run, swinging as hard as they can. If we're going to grow this account, especially when it's small, we've got to grow at a reasonable pace. We've got to make sure that we're not putting all our eggs into one basket, that we're not putting into really expensive call options, that if that call option was to go to zero, like this one is, I'm being transparent, I'm showing you my mistakes right now. I spent $79 on this call option. Right now it's worth $3. That's where my money's going. If you put your things into stuff like this, now this is a chance. It could have went up higher. I could have made a lot of money, but with me, it's like me swinging for the fences on these, because I said that that Visa would go from $192 to $202. But then when you look at the history and you look at how long this company's been around, when you look at the amount of shares that are traded per day, the volume, it was a long shot. It was going for a home run, and I understand now. I can't do that. In order for me to grow my account, a small account, I'm starting from scratch, I have to make smaller hits, I have to make smaller plays, but over time, I will get to my goal. I can't always try to swing for the fence. I can't always try to go for the biggest play in the book or that I can make, because the probability of me actually making that happen is going to get smaller, smaller, smaller the bigger hit I try to make. So if you're a beginner, if you're new to investing, please listen to this. Don't spread yourself too thin. Learn from my mistakes. I love it that I made so much money on this plug call. I spent $38 on it. I sold it for $78. I did really well on that call, but it was a smaller one. If I would have had 3 or 4 of those, then maybe I could have done a lot better, and I wouldn't have spent, I wouldn't have lost so much money in just one call. So moving forward in this channel, TruLife Investing, I'm learning this. I'm going to make smaller plays. I'm going to have a different strategy, and I'm going to not go for the Hail Mary or the home run every single time, but I'm going to grow my account little by little by little, because I don't want to see $282 again and then drop back down to $38. That sucks. I don't want to see that again, and I want people to learn from this mistake. Right now, we gained back up. We're at $73. We got another call with Plug for it to go to $11, and there's a ton of backing behind it that they say it's going to probably go, it's going to push up to like 14. So hopefully it does that. But right now it's like $9.14 for that at the stock right now. It's been doing super well. Over the past week, it's gone up $1.69. So in another week, hopefully it gets close to 11 or above it, and we make some money. But this is transparency. This is showing you the mistakes of whenever you have a smaller account. I'm showing you my losses because I want you to be better, and I want you to grow, and I want you to be able to be a part of my journey. And I'm not trying to cut corners. I'm not trying to lie to you. I want you to see what it's truly like when a beginner starts investing, when they've never, I didn't have nobody teach me how to, do stocks growing up, but I'm learning every single day. I'm keeping my head in this. I'm going to be investing every single day, and I want to make sure that, we're going to reach financial freedom. Trust me, I'm going to make it happen. And it's good, but I've got to learn along the way. I got to, pay my dues. I got to take my hits, but we're going to make it on this channel. And I want to thank everybody who's supporting this channel, hitting that like button, who's hit that subscribe button. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. We're going to keep doing this every single day. We're going to keep learning. I want to help all the beginner investors out there as much as possible so that you can continue to grow your account and get to financial freedom. And if you're new to investing, or you thought about investing and you want to kind of start with me and go along with my journey, hit my RobinHood link in the description. You'll get a free stock. Or if you want to try with Webull, which to me is a little bit more complicated, that link is down there too. You can get some free stocks. Be sure to follow me on Twitter because I'm going to be bringing out some fresh news every single day. Me making sure that if there's anything crazy happening, I'm going to post it. And so I understand that, a lot of us are new to this. A lot of us weren't raised, taught about stocks and investing, and that's why I'm doing this channel. That's why I'm calling it TruLife Investing, because not a lot of people have thousands of dollars to put into the stock market or to put into an investing account. And that's why we're only putting in $25 a week, and we're going to grow from there. We're going to learn. We're going to be disciplined. We're going to be consistent. We're going to learn from our mistakes, and we're going to grow. So just thank you for all the support, everybody. This is Joel with TruLife Investing. You have a great day.